top of the Rome. So help that non and unknown opening the base. But this is Avignon because
so we are here sitting on the street waiting for our waiting to be seated. Yeah. But this is a recommendation of Diego, our friend from Barcelona.
Di ba Bologna?
Bologna. Letter B. Wrong letter. Wrong country. From Bologna. So far he has yet to fail us. So we've been following his Google Maps. So it's pretty good so far. Okay, I got lasagna and we got a matriciana. What do I want? I got the what'd you get?
Same as yours for one flavor and then the really long one. Crocante di Amarena.
Ano po masasabi natin?
I think it's an early morning stop, as in like before 8.
It's giving church sa Pinas. What are we getting?
Spritz to go because time is ticking and it's Aperol time.
So I refuse to do the crazy poses with the leaning out. This is the craziest I can do. It's a bit hot. Why do we always end up going around at 12 to 2 p.m.? No, hindi naman allowed. Not that we're not allowed, but it's a timed entry to the cathedral. But I'm gonna bet most of everyone inside are not even praying. So I am frustrated about it. Because all I wanted to do is pray and light a candle as a Catholic and say my wishes. Sa labas na lang ako magpe-pray. Sabi nga ni Papa, ganun din yun. The titas are dancing. How are you? How many wines in? I don't know. I think I finished a bottle. 10 glasses at least. It's ABBA. Mama. May bata. I'm dizzy. How are you? We're good. We're good? Are we good? Are we good?
How could you be sleeping? We have one bottle of wine.
Pero no te animas a ir a bailar, hombre, por Dios.
Diego's Recos once again. Victoria, forgot her change.
I need my gelato.
It's for gelato. We got boodled by the staff. Boodled?
It seems like he suggested it, so it seems like
Oo
he
nga.
saw naman.
We're interested.
Suotin ko na ngayon.
Suotin mo na. I got this one. Hindi siya pansin. Because it called me. So, ayaw natin yung kinakausap tayo. Pero dahil 15 euros lang siya, hindi ko na i-convert kung magkano siya sa Pilipinas. Bahala na si Batman. Where is that gelato place? Okay, take 2. Who wasn't recording the first time? We're in Venice. Yeah, yes. We're in Venice. That with that. Yeah. We just did gondola. It's great. It was peaceful. It was peaceful. Pero pinagalitan si Fish. Oo nga. Kasi I wanted to move up front for a beautiful photo, but it wasn't allowed.
The techniques that the master follow to make champions. The problem is that to become a master rather than the farmer, most is going to lose that record. The look good, but it's not really cool. What's it feel about?
I am failing here. Never mind. Our very healthy dinner. Pringles. And Haribo not seen and Coke.
Haribo not seen kasi ubus na. And this is the second Pringles, by the way.
Second.
Pangalawa na to.
Second, yeah.
Same
Second.
flavor.
This is a goodbye. Yun na yun. Yun na yun. Pagod na sila. Back to Manila. Back to... Wala na, kakainin na siya ng work niya. And me.
See you never.
See you never. See you next month.